This is your captain speaking. As we all know, there seems to be an imminent ban on TikTok, but there's several conflicting reports if it's actually going to be banned immediately or if we're getting a stay. We need to make sure that those that were responsible for even choosing this don't get to keep their jobs the next time around. But that's only half of the story. But if this does go away, I'll still be around, and you can find me here. Just because we lose this app doesn't mean we lose each other. This isn't goodbye. This is see you on the flip side.